Hello, I'm Mitchell from SheetGo, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the date formula in Google Sheets. The date formula is pretty straightforward and transforms data about day, months and years into a date. So let's use the equation to show the purpose of the date formula. Date formula is of course date. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to find the year. Well, the year corresponds to C2. Secondly, I need to find the month. And lastly, I need to put in the day. So I close the bracket. And as you can see, the date formula successfully determined the date out of my data. So I double click the equation. And as you can see, I found every date with the month, day and year. So this is how I use the date formula. I want to thank you for your time. And if you liked the video, please put a thumbs up. This video is based on a blog post, so if you want to read more, please click on the link down below in the description. Goodbye.